rolling out from the Frankfort Car Show in the 2025 Back to the Bricks promo tour. Heading to the hotel. And this, the locals call this the gut. What'd you say? Yeah, we're gonna check in and then we're gonna go get the food. You'll eat. The world ain't right without you, baby. I just wanna stop for your love. Sergio Mendes. Tried so hard to keep. What are you doing with this? I just wanna stop and tell you what I feel about you, babe. I just wanna stop. The world ain't right without you. And my man is Eldo. He turned around. My man on one of the tour, he was thoroughly impressed with Redtail. My man, the photographer, he liked taking pictures. I just wanna
go to the beach, though.
I'll be right without you, babe.
That's actually a nice beach.
It is. I'm quite sure they get some nice sunsets over here. I mean, because there's nothing but lake horizon, so don't have nothing obstructing it. Go ahead. Yeah, it is nice, isn't it? Well, there. One for me. Oh man, check out the Mustang. That's what I'm talking about. That sounds like power up in there. Wow, that sounds like a damn airplane. They got the doors open up here. That'd be a nice breeze too. You know, tonight I'm gonna get on Google and check these places out. On Zillow, see how much they value that. Not that I'll move in too long, because not enough space for my cars.
No space for your cars, sir. I mean, it's a nice, like, come for the summer type thing.
Yeah. We're at. You'll disappear once we get on the road, let the breeze blow. Oh, it's a resort. Harbor Lakes Resort?
That's what I thought. Look like motels, especially down here.
You're the one for me.
Yeah, that's sort of stuff.
Someone to count on. Air Force fed up here in Pontiac.